Guys, wanted to share with you this vintage gemstone heavy duty gold ring. This is so beautiful. Check out the box. So great packaging if you're looking for the perfect gift. Really cute, slides open here. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. But overall I'm so impressed. So nice weight to it. Comes in this nice little bag. And then I do have the link pulled up. It's from ZafariStudio.com. So very easy to just pull up. You can browse. They have multiple different jewelry to look at. Very beautiful, but check out how stunning that is. I'm gonna throw it on and show you how great it looks. So if you're in the market for a beautiful ring, I definitely recommend this one.